Number 1. Mamba Reverse Crossbow. Crossbows are sometimes referred to as pistol crossbows. Their manufacturers emphasize compactness and lightness. Certain models weigh around 1 kilogram and measure 41 centimeters in length. Despite their small size, these crossbows possess impressive features. Many models are suitable for hunting, offering innovative designs and silent bowstring tensioners for quick shooting readiness in confined spaces. Some commenters speculate that these reverse limb systems may be more of a marketing tactic than a genuine necessity. The price range for these crossbows is between $400 and $500. What are your thoughts on this? Number 2. Rifle Flamars 2025. For those who find the previous crossbow too expensive, there is a simpler alternative in the form of a slingshot. Yes, you heard it right. The following models are designed for hunting purposes and even come with telescopic sights. These Chinese-made slingshots are priced at approximately $198. For this amount, buyers receive tension adjustment capabilities for both recreational shooting and hunting, a metal housing, and a plastic grip. The shooting velocity reaches 137 meters per second, and some kits even include spare rubber bands and a toolkit. Number 3. Hunting Slingshot Rifle. But the innovation of slingshot designers doesn't stop there. They have created a slingshot rifle that is available in stores. The seller states that this model is designed for experienced shooters with mechanical knowledge. Surprisingly, the price tag for this device is $488. Its unique design features 3 poles for firing and uses steel pellets ranging from 4 to 6 millimeters in diameter. It can load 10 to 20 pellets at a time, but some daring individuals opt for single 18 millimeter pellets or even carbon arrows weighing 300 to 400 grams. Number 4. Airsaber Elite X2. Now, behold the air-powered crossbow that claims to shoot a second arrow faster than Legolas, as advertised by its creators. Although Legolas has the advantage of shooting 3 arrows, this crossbow boasts a range of 69 meters and an initial arrow speed of approximately 137 meters per second. The sight-equipped weapon weighs around 4 kilograms. The creators highlight its large capacity magazine, which can hold enough air for 25 shots, as well as its PCP release technology that enables nearly recoil-free shooting. The price of this air-powered crossbow is $500. Number 5. Home-built Gauss Rifle. This homemade device bears a resemblance to weaponry found in Starship Troopers and other science fiction movies. Displayed on the screen is a coil gun which operates by accelerating the projectile with an electromagnetic field. Interestingly, the creator of this version is a passionate enthusiast who constructed the weapon to showcase his skills and generate interest in science and technology. Users appreciate his detailed explanations and even suggest he embark on a new project, such as a sniper rifle. Number 6. Gammo TC35, TC45. And here's an intriguing revelation from Gammo, a Spanish company that provides the TC35 and TC45 rifles for your collection. An interesting fact about these firearms is that they originate from South Korea. The Spanish company entered into an agreement with the South Korean company Evernext, allowing them to sell the rifles under their own brand. The .35 and .45 rifles have calibers of 9mm and 11.43mm respectively. Both rifles possess ample power for recreational shooting and hunting, such as wild boar. The Spanish versions weigh 4 kilograms and cost $1,050, while the Korean variant is slightly pricier at $1,200. Number 7. Aderini Crossbow. Presented as a highly unique homemade crossbow gun, its designer encountered a wooden model and subsequently created a 3D printed replica. However, he cautions potential replicators to ensure compliance with the law before proceeding. This particular crossbow supports projectiles ranging from 160 to 163 millimeters in length. It is equipped with two Picatinny rails for attaching accessories like sights and target designators. The device weighs approximately 600 grams, and its cocking system surpasses that of many mass-produced crossbows. The estimated price for this kit is around $100. Number 8. Pocket Shot Arrow Kit. Next in line is the evolution of the slingshot. Described by its manufacturer as follows: some viewers may experience nostalgia upon seeing this slingshot, as it bears a striking resemblance to homemade devices children create for shooting berries and small apples. However, one must exercise caution, as this weapon has the potential to cause serious trouble in regions where it is banned, such as China, Norway, Iceland, and other countries. This slingshot has the capability to fire not only balls like paintball pellets but also arrows. This is likely why the manufacturer targets hunters and even fishermen as its audience. It can achieve a firing speed of about 107 meters per second, and the most advanced set is priced at around $139. Number 9. Lance Head Crossbow. Moving on, we encounter a weapon that has sparked controversy within online forums and YouTube comments. The key point of contention revolves around whether this device should be classified as a crossbow. While some argue it fits the description due to its utilization of micro limbs as opposed to traditional ones, others disagree. This patented solution has earned the final product the label of a torsion crossbow. Regardless, let's take a quick look at its specifications. This crossbow weighs 4.5 kilograms and fires arrows at a velocity of 112 meters per second. It boasts a width of only 10 centimeters. Notably, the slogan associated with this weapon encourages users to focus on improving their hunting skills rather than solely relying on equipment enhancements. This innovative solution comes with a price tag of $2,495. Number 10. RSX-8 Sniper. Introducing the RSX-8, a sniper model slingshot available at the enticing price of $207. Comparisons with similar products would be unfair, as its designers claim a shooting range that exceeds 100 meters with the right skills. They even assert the ability to hit a cane toad at a distance of 50 meters. While the slingshot comes with a Picatinny rail, additional optical accessories must be purchased separately. The weight of this sniper slingshot is 5 kilograms, and it is delivered in 3 separate boxes. Much discussion in the comments revolves around the legality of purchasing and using this slingshot in different countries.